Hello everyone. I have found the most skilled and smartest construction workers. They are on another level. It's time to share them with you. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. This person is definitely an engineer at heart. Just check out the amazing table he crafted himself. It even includes an LED sensor. From a professional perspective, building a submarine is a true masterpiece. Turns out these builders weren't kidding when they promised to build a backyard parking lot in a single day. This person spent nearly 5 hours, some paint, masking tape, and remarkable talent to create this stylish mandala. Did you know that these road symbols were painted this way? Let us know in the comments. Looking to decorate your ceiling? I found the perfect master craftsman for you. They make building a pergola look so easy. Their work is brilliant, and the results are super cozy. It's awesome to have a teammate who can arrange all the slabs without even touching them. All it takes is a few dozen bricks and this genius to create a path that still looks stunning. Take a look at how quickly these builders complete the floor. When these experts get to work, natural cobblestone paths materialize right before our eyes. What do you think of the marvel they've created? You know you're a true expert when you can play floor is lava on an excavator. That's amazing. Imagine how many perfectionists this hero saved by organizing the papers by color. Only a true master could create such an amazing construction. Take a look at the impressive stairs this team is building. With a logistics genius like this, you won't even need a separate unloading crew. Just wait and see how this bricklayer's skillful handiwork meets expectations. It's incredible to see these skilled craftsmen apply 1,100 kilograms of paint by hand to transform a plane. Witness the incredible teamwork required to construct an intricate dome structure. It's rare to find someone who can create a floor with such high-quality oak blocks. Master builders like this are few and far between. There's also a genius artist from Morocco who can turn your walls into perfect works of art. Imagine how much practice this craftsman must have had to cut such delicate materials with such ease and precision. What level of brilliance does it take to use just a stencil and a spray can to create such an extraordinary 3D illusion? A change in tools results in a doubling of work efficiency. This guy will always have a job. If he gets tired of building houses, he can always become an acrobat. Look at these workers. Just imagine the level of experience and flexibility they need to accomplish this. Want your home renovation to look more expensive? Then you definitely need to try out this idea. These builders work so quickly that they can create stone steps from start to finish in just a few hours. This is the most unique mosaic installation method I've ever seen. If you've ever had doubts about yourself, look at this man's example and realize that everything is within reach. I'm astounded by the skill of those who can design and assemble propellers for massive ships. No special equipment needed, with a team as resourceful as this one. Just imagine how much time it must take to cover the entire wall with this. But the result is incredible. Check out these professional skills. Most people can't even hammer nails this smoothly. Can you guess what they are making here? Let us know in the comments. Check out this amazing paint job. It takes a real pro to pull this off up so high. Take a look at this clever technique using a rope to create a smooth, curved line for laying the bricks. Working without any safety measures, hopefully, he gets the deserved reward. When you understand physics, the work progresses twice as quickly. Just imagine the level of responsibility required to be a crane operator. But don't worry, we're watching a professional at work. This man must have been a fan of sand castles as a child, but look at what he can create with sand now. How can you distinguish a pro from an ordinary worker? He only needs to move to achieve the perfect angle. How would you characterize the individuals who built a pool in their backyard from scratch in just a few days? That's right, true professionals. That's right, we're using future technology to build houses. The image of tough guys wielding two guns simultaneously isn't just for action movies. Searching on Google for how to level fresh cement without ruining it doesn't make sense anymore, because this genius just demonstrated how it's done. This worker is so skilled at restoring stairs that it seems he enjoys the process as much as the job itself. Looking for a stone wall for your living room? Haven't found the right stones? Not a problem for this creative worker, seriously. You'd never guess farm tools could be used for this, but it looks incredibly efficient. This builder seems to defy gravity. You might wonder, why didn't he cut it on the ground? His answer is, because I can do it anywhere. Witness these women transform your table into a beach using epoxy and hair dryers. Now, try not to get mesmerized watching these precise movements. Creating a comfortable space doesn't always require much. Sometimes, plain paint is all you need to spark your next design idea. This is what happens when you hire a perfectionist to do your stone stairs. Check out this clever method to avoid leaving footprints on the floor. And here, Indian builders are using coconut core geotextile styles to achieve high-quality pavement that won't sink. These geniuses discovered an effortless way to pull a sunken excavator out of a bog, and that way is through physics. Here's a group of men in India smashing a 30-foot tall rock using nothing but a hammer and chisel. Witness the builders' mesh magic as they bring forth the most original wall ever. This is what I call teamwork. Together, it seems like they can move mountains. What? I always thought they were separate. If this guy keeps going like this, he'll have built an entire block by the end of the week. This is how bentwood is made. Truly incredible. Can't you tell that this person loves what they do? It's absolutely fascinating. Allow me to draw your attention to the flawless formation of external corners with epoxy grout. I bet a single worker like this is more effective than an entire team of painters. While it takes everyone else an entire day to finish a wall, this man completes it in half the time. This is definitely a demonstration of incorrect construction, with no safety measures whatsoever. A true and ingenious worker will always find a way to save time. This is what insulating a house looks like when a master gets to work. It's always a pleasure to watch professionals in action. I don't think anything needs to be said here. It's perfect. Look at how these ingenious workers devised a method to optimize their workflow. I assure you, this guy can cut anything, anywhere. And thanks to this expert, the entire street will be completed in just a few hours. In real construction scenarios, masters often excel at solving unexpected challenges with unconventional methods. I admit that while this approach is highly efficient, it's also very dangerous. If you want a perfect construction result, give this person a call. This man has discovered the quickest and most precise way to cut a window. Why does it always look so easy until you try it yourself? Because you are watching a true master at work. His father taught him to work smarter, not harder, so he devised this device. These Chinese workers are installing a tiled roof that is guaranteed to last for over 100 years. With just a gentle roll, you can create a beautiful pattern effect. This person levels a plaster on the ceiling effortlessly with this magical machine, not spinning a single speck of dust. This worker from China gets it right the first time, applying silicone perfectly in the seams without needing a second try. Now, take a look at this brilliant teamwork. Well, I hope these individuals managed to impress you today. Let us know in the comments whose work impressed you the most, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.